Over the years, I've written quite a few times about privacy, and the theme has been pretty consistently that privacy is dead. It's an illusion. Today, I came across an article that reminded me how true that is and for how long it's been so, and I added my 2 cents. Now, in truth, privacy has never really been much more than a quaint idea, one that's been getting steadily chipped away at as a business practice by, well, everyone. Facebook? Check. Google? You bet. Law enforcement? In spades. Or most simply, let's just ask, what is privacy? Well, privacy isn't dying, it's dead, but that isn't the issue. Privacy is an illusion. The issue is that people still believe they have some reasonable expectation of there being any privacy in anything, and that's not a privacy issue, it's about education and expectations. So, if you follow my trail around the intertubes, you may have noticed that a few days ago, the WordPress helpers underwent some changes, not the least of which is that we traded the domain, thewordpresshelpers.com, to the WordPress Foundation in exchange for a license to use WordPress as a subdomain of answerguy.com, not only with their blessing, but their explicit consent. And here's what happened next. Less than 4 hours later, WP Tavern, a mouth organ for WP Matt Mullenweg, that's Matt Mullenweg, the president of Automatic Inc., the guy who wrote most of WordPress, the guy who is the head of the WordPress Foundation, published an article that included a full copy of the contract between WordPress and us. The contract wasn't private, so it's okay, and in fact it'll eventually be included in various court filings, which would make it public anyway unless WordPress and I took steps to avoid that and got multiple courts to agree. But since that contract hadn't yet been returned to me in fully executed form and hasn't yet wound its way through the court systems, its availability to the staff at WP Tavern means, and there's just no other way to interpret this, that someone at WordPress leaked the, at that point still private, document to them. And that's a little scuzzy, and also not the issue. The issue is perception. Privacy, let's be honest, has never been an absolute, and the internet has destroyed any illusions that come anywhere even close to what a reasonable person should believe it to be when it comes to that. That final nail in privacy's coffin was really driven quite a while ago. Now, all we have left to deal with is what we think about it. Privacy is an illusion. I'm the Answer Guy, and I'll be back.